Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor. I worked at IRS for, a decade. I've been in private practice for 41 years. Welcome to my channel. I get in and out, tell you everything I need to know within about 4 minutes. I give you only the fillet, no fat on this thing. You need to know what's going on. As a former IRS agent, I worked and taught the offer and compromise program. I am one of the leading experts in the United States on IRS settlements. I'm trying to give you the insider guide in about 4 minutes, and I can do that. When you just hear the truth. The offer and compromise, they're tough to get accepted. There's only 13,000 offers and compromise accepted last year. There's a reason. Most people aren't even eligible, and the other problem is people go ahead and file them, and they're not even qualified to send them in, and they're a mess when they get them. I know them because I speak to agents there, and they know I'm a former IRS agent, so they let me know kind of what's going on. So the insider guide, you have to know is there's a very specific formula that IRS follows. You have to fit exactly in that formula, or your offer is not going to get accepted. The two things that IRS is really drilling down on is what is the value of your assets. That goes in this pile right here. And when IRS looks at your income and expenses, does it fit within their national standard program? That's the other thing they're looking at. So what is the national standard program? The Department of Labor set up a long time ago statistics that every county in the United States should use. The government uses these for averages. For instance, the bankruptcy court goes ahead and uses these averages. If you're going to go in bankruptcy court, they only allow certain expenses. The IRS does that too. They follow the Department of Labor statistics. So if you want to get your offer and compromise through, you must understand that your expenses that you put in for the offer, for your home, for your housing and utilities, your food and clothing, your car payments and car expenses, and some medical, it's not going to be what IRS is going to accept, and you have to know that. You can go and find those out by putting IRS national standards for offers. They will show you what they allow. Do not file an offer if you're not qualified. Why? You lose 20% and you extend your statute of limitations. It's not that professionals need cases. It's you need to find out what professional can actually go ahead and take care of the offer and compromise. And to be honest, there's only, I'll tell you about between 3 and 5% of the people out there are really solid. The others are garbage. If you go to a big box company, you see advertising all the time. That ain't really going to go. I like that noise. That's not going to go down. They don't know. You know why? Because that back office of their shifts. If they were really good, they would be having their own practice. So the insider guide is for you to understand the form, make sure you document the form right, and make sure you fill the 433A OIC out correctly. I'm an expert. You need me to do your offer. Happy to look at it for free. I answer my own phone, and then we can go forward from there. And if I think you're qualified, I'll get you the lowest offer possible. Thank you. Give me a subscription. I always tell you good stuff and the inside stuff. Thank you.